The Ford Transit has always been known as one of the most practical vans on the market, but the all-new 2027 Ford Transit takes things to an entirely different level. With a more premium design, cutting-edge technology, and luxury-focused features, this latest generation proves that a commercial van can also deliver first-class comfort. Whether you're running a business, transporting VIP passengers, or planning the ultimate camper conversion, the 2027 Transit offers a level of versatility that few competitors can match. At first glance, the new Transit immediately stands out with its bold and modern styling. The front end features a larger grille with an updated mesh pattern, slimmer LED matrix headlights, and a redesigned bumper that gives the van a stronger road presence. Smooth body lines improve aerodynamics while maintaining the signature Transit shape that owners have trusted for years. New alloy wheel designs, fresh exterior colors, and premium chrome accents add a sophisticated touch, making this luxury van look just as impressive parked outside a hotel as it does at a job site. Step inside, and the biggest transformation becomes obvious. Ford has completely reimagined the cabin with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and a more refined layout. A massive digital instrument cluster pairs with a large touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air software updates. Voice controls have been improved for easier hands-free operation, while multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging keep every passenger connected. Passenger comfort has also received major attention. Higher trims offer leather seating, heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, panoramic windows, and upgraded climate control with multiple zones. Business owners can configure the cabin for executive transportation, while families and travelers will appreciate the spacious seating and generous cargo flexibility. Improved sound insulation creates a noticeably quieter ride, making long-distance trips much more relaxing. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford Transit is expected to offer several powertrain options to meet different customer needs. Buyers can choose from updated EcoBoost gasoline engines, efficient diesel options in select markets, and an improved all-electric e-Transit model with greater driving range and faster charging capabilities. Ford has also refined the automatic transmission for smoother gear changes while optimizing fuel efficiency. Rear-wheel drive remains available, with intelligent all-wheel drive offered for those who need extra confidence in challenging weather or rough terrain. Driving the new Transit feels more refined than ever before. Revised suspension tuning delivers a smoother ride even when fully loaded, while more responsive steering makes navigating city streets surprisingly easy for a vehicle of this size. Advanced driver assistance technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, automatic emergency braking, a 360-degree camera system, and enhanced parking assistance that takes much of the stress out of maneuvering in tight spaces. Pricing is expected to remain competitive despite the significant upgrades. Industry estimates suggest the 2027 Ford Transit could start around $48,000 for entry-level cargo models, while luxury passenger versions and fully equipped executive trims may exceed $75,000 depending on configuration and options. With its combination of premium comfort, modern technology, impressive versatility, and dependable performance, the 2027 Ford Transit is shaping up to be one of the most capable and luxurious vans Ford has ever built.